Good morning, students. Today we'll see logic gates and its application. Yesterday we have already seen the different logic gates that you might have seen in your basic electronics subject. First basic gate is nothing but the AND gate. AND just performs the simple multiplication, and the truth table clearly shows whatever the inputs. AND gate having the two inputs and single output. See how the truth table looks like. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. It clearly specifies and just performs the multiplication function. Next is the OR gate. Which are the OR gates function? You already know OR just performs the addition. This plus shows it is OR gate. This is nothing but the truth table of the OR gate. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. That means what? OR gate just performs the addition function. Next one is the NOT gate. You already know NOT is nothing but the simply inverter. This one is the truth table for the NOT gate. 0 get inverted to 1 and 1 get inverted to 0. It just shown by the bar. That means what? A NOT gate having the input A, it has the output Y. It's shown by the A complement. That gets shown by the bar, not bar. Next is the NAND function. NAND means what? It is just the inverter of the AND. This bubble is nothing but the inverter. Means what? Whatever the truth table of the AND gate, output of the AND gate just get inverted for getting the NAND output. See, in case of AND gate 0 into 0, 0. But in case of NAND, output is 1. That means 0 get inverted to 1. Just like this, operations get performed. Okay. This is the truth table for the NAND gate. Boolean expression shows y equals to AB. This is nothing but the bar, which shows it is nothing but the NAND gate is nothing but the complement of the AND function. Means whatever the outputs of the AND gate, after inverting the outputs, will get the output for the NAND gates. Okay. Next one is the NOR gate. NOR gate means what? NOR is nothing but the OR's inverter. See, diagram clearly specifies this is the OR gate and this bubble shows the inverter. Means whatever the outputs of the OR gate, if we inverting those outputs, we'll get the NOR gate's output. This is the truth table for the NOR gate. Okay. And the Boolean expression shows what? Y equals to A plus B. This is the Boolean expression for OR gate. And Y plus B XOR, that is bar. It is nothing but the NOR gate Boolean function. Next one is the how the operations get performed for the OR gate. This is just simply like the truth table. Then this one is for the NOR gate. See, whatever the examples of the different combinations of gate. That means what? If you have to design a circuit by using two or more basic gates, how we can find out the output? Here it is, see, A, B, C. These are the three inputs provided to AND gates. And by using those inputs, we have to find out the value of Y. This is nothing but the combinations of these three inputs. As we are having the three inputs, that why how many combinations are there? 2 raised to 3 equals to 8. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the different combination. Why it is? Because we are having the three inputs. Now, by using those inputs, we have to find out the values of Y. See, first A equals to 0, B equals to 0, C equals to 0. Y equals to what? 0. See, 0 into 0, 0. 0 into, here it is 0, here it is 0 inverted to 1. 0 into 1, 0. 0 plus 0. That's why Y is 0. Next is, now we have to fill the second entry. 0 into 0. First, which are the inputs? A equals to 0, B equals to 0, C equals to 1. Here it is AB equals to 0, 0. 0 into 0 and output is 0. Now 0 get inverted, will get the output 1. See, already 1. 1 into 1, 1. 0 plus 1, we are getting the output equals to Y. Like this, we have to fill those entries. See, we'll just show the last table, how it get filled. See, these are all the entries for the Y. See, 0, 0, 0, output is 0. You already know how we are finding out those values of Y. Now, we have to find out a simple Boolean expression for Y. Y equals to what? See, Y equals to this AB for first, and we are having the input A, B. That's why here for this output line, we are getting the output is A into B. This is shown. Okay. And here it is A input provided to NOT gate. That's why here it is A bar. Here it is already C. That's why C into A bar. Here it is A bar into C. Both get added AB plus A bar C. AB plus A bar C. These are the outputs. Got it? Next is the AOI logic. That means what? AND gate, OR gates and inverter gate. This is nothing but the combination of different kinds of basic gates. Then NAND gate. NAND gate, how we can implement the NAND gate? See, we can give the single input to NAND. NAND means what? It is simply the AND's inverter. That means what? This bubble shows the inverter. This is nothing but the truth table. Same like that, NOR gate, by providing a single input. And according to this, this is the main truth table of the NOR gate. This is the NAND implementation. How we can implement a AND by using two NANDs. This is first NAND. It having the output AB bar. This output again provided to second NAND will get the AB. That's why it is called as the NAND implementation. Same like this. Okay. These are the basic Boolean identities. You already know different laws, that is identity law, null law, independent law, inverse law, commutative law, associative law, distributive law, absorption law, De Morgan's law and double complement law. See, you have to remember all these laws, because whenever there is a need to simplify the Boolean expression, you need those laws. So kindly remember this all laws. This is the De Morgan's theorem. You already know it. Okay. Thank you. These all are the basic gates and its application. How to find out the Boolean expressions by using the basic gates, and how to solve, or we can say how to find out the output entries by using combinations of basic gates. Thank you.